So we're here today at Bankview Speak. Adlib has had a long association with this building since it was first opened 20 odd years ago. It was fitted out to a high standard with all the latest technology of the day. Things have moved on, there is newer technology that's available, and the students of today need the cutting edge kit to learn what they're doing. Adlib was initially approached to consult on what of the remaining equipment was viable and contemporary, and then to propose what could be installed to bring the venue up to date and full operational capability. We have installed new loudspeaker systems, which are good for both live music and drama. Also a 7.1 system, as community cinema was quite a key use case for the school.
It's just amazing, the surround sound is just fabulous. We asked for being able to show films to a level of cinema, and we've got what we wanted, which is just absolutely amazing.
We've also installed a new Panasonic 20,000 lumen projector, which gives a punchy image even with some of the house lights on. Lighting-wise, we've got rid of the old dimmers and replaced it with an all-LED system. Over the stage, all of the lights are moving lights, enabling students and staff to reposition lights without having to use access equipment. So whenever Adlib installs a full integrated system, we always include training. So we're here today to take the students and staff through their new systems, introduce them to what they've got, what the capabilities of it are. It's been very much about starting with the basics, how to put up a mic stand, how to coil a cable, and then also we've engaged the services of a professional band so that the school can get some first-hand experience of all of the systems working together.
The training today has been, as expected, fantastic. They're very experienced and it's in stages. So here's an overview. We're going to just do what's enough to get you going. Then if you're really interested in it, we'll go to the next level. So, you know, signposting us in the right direction as well. It's really important. The next generation of technicians, of creatives, they need to get their hands on the latest kit and they need good training, and this is the start of that.
It's been a great day for us. We really like delivering training. It really is the best bit. It makes the actual installation worthwhile when we get to put it in the hands of its new owners and blow their socks off with what it can do.
The fact that we've got a relationship with a world-class company down the road, Adlib, it's just meant to be, I think. We just feel like we're living in the future. The possibilities are endless. It's down to our imagination, so it's very exciting.